Hey, welcome back. I'm in Oleto River State Park, north Miami, and I am here with one of the most wonderful native fruits that we have in Florida, the cocoplum. If you think you're gonna starve along the beach, you're not, because you can help yourself to these things. You can also help yourself to like half-eaten Subway sandwiches and stuff out of the dumpsters, but it's probably not as good for you, and there are some health concerns, whereas the cocoplum is good for you and probably won't give you a disease. Take a look at these things. They come in black and in white varieties, and they're a very light fruit with kind of a fluffy texture to them, and you can go along and eat them, and they come in different sizes. There's some that are pretty big and some that are pretty small, some that are sweet, some are a little more astringent, but you know, these are not the unripe versions of the black ones. They're both varieties, and they grow side by side. They make a great hedge, and of course they are salt resistant. My sister Steph is going to try one for the first time.
Oh, there's a pit.
Yes, there's a big pit.
It's not bad. It's like a light plum.
Yeah, it's like fluffy almost.
Pretty good.
There was a big hedge of them behind the thrift store. And I used to just go back there with a hat and fill a hat full of them and eat them. Some plants have better ones than others.
To get the fruit off of the pit part.
Yes, that's true.
Pretty good tobacco.
My fruit tasting. Yeah, right. I got a plug of cocoplum in my loot. The cocoplum, one of Florida's native fruits, and I like it when the airplanes go over. It's authentic. Hashtag authentic. We are definitely in the city now. So thanks for joining me. I'll put the Latin name underneath so you guys can see what this thing is, and I will catch you all next time. And until then, may your thumbs always be green.